Hey Sylvain, you won last 2 games here in No Congos. Why is so important to be strong here in home?
To win here is so important. That's the question. To win, it's important everywhere. But I think here it's hard. The other team wins because we got the fans and we got us at the same time. So everything is on us, and the energy we have on the court is really like we are powerful energy. So everybody on the same page, and everybody want to do something more than others every single time. So that's why it's special to win here. It's really special, and even the fan is with us every single time. So like most of the time, it's a pleasure.
You come after a huge victory in Turkey this week. In which moment do you think is the team in this?
Which moment? Which moment? What?
The momentum of the team.
The momentum. I think the momentum was really when they was up by 7 or 8. I think when what's his name? Luke hit the 3 points with a foul and one. It's at this moment we knew we was ready to come back because if you do something like organize and like find the right way to get a good basket, we knew we was ready to come back. But when Luke hit this, we knew we was like, okay, that's a good momentum. Now we gotta go ahead every single time. We gotta do good and have good defense and go to fast break, and we know what we have supposed to do, and that's what happened. Because I feel like they were too comfortable on the lead, and they didn't think we was ready to come back. So that's why we did. We did this together, and that was good, and we was happy because it's hard to win over there, especially they have a really good fans too. So
And about the moment of the team, I think
The moment of the season, you are growing up
Yeah.
as a team.
how's the team
Yeah.
growing? How is the
Which
team?
level are you in?
the team is growing up every single time because you can tell like sometimes I think in the beginning of the year when we was down 10, sometimes the head was going down because we didn't believe together. So right now, every time we was like, okay, if you're down 10, it's all good. The momentum can change. Like we gotta stay positive together all the time, and y'all gonna see. And that's why like everybody's going up because like everybody got everybody's back. So if you go down, your head's going down. I got you. Get your heads up. We got it next time. Do not worry about that. Especially you got the coaches. They got this too, and that's a good thing. So that's why the team is going up because like the leadership and everybody stayed together, and that's a good thing. That's why it's special this year.
Yeah, it's your first season here in Liga Endesa. You didn't have experience before as a player in Spain. How do you adapt to this situation?
Spain is really that's my first time. I like first time when I came here, the coach was it was on me every single time because the position I was a point guard, and I was like, wow, this is not France, man. So yeah, and I get adapted because like you got Danny. I'm Danny's backup, so every time I was trying to see Danny, Danny's really good point guard. So I was looking forward every single time, like his position, the way he passed the ball. Okay, he passed like that, I got to do the same thing. So I got to find the right way to play, and that's why, especially on the preseason, it helps me a lot because I wasn't trying to score. I was trying to find my teammates and why I'm doing this play for who and who's going to be open every single time, and that's why I was going up every time. But like, hey, referees, I need some fouls too, man. I feel like I don't get no fouls, but it's basketball. And I like it. That's a good level, and it's really tough here because they let you play. That's a good thing.
Yeah, speaking about Danny Perez, you share the same position in the court. Can you think that you are complement each other very well with Danny?
Yeah, of course, because Danny is more organized and he can do everything. But me, I'm organized, but I can go to the basket. I bring a lot of rhythm because I can speed. I can really go fast, 100% and zero. 100 kilometers and zero. And I can play defense full court too. So like the energy I can bring is like the energy not gonna come down. It's still gonna be at the same time when I'm going in on the court. And I think that's a pretty good that's a good thing because like I can pass, I can drive, I can do everything, and that's a good thing as a backup because okay, if Danny is leaving, okay, you need another point guard to guard, and it's hard to guard Danny, especially on the pick and roll. But when I'm a backup and the other backups got to guard me, it's gonna be tough too. So like that's a good thing. I feel like that's the best duo backup. Yeah.
It's only 2 months since you came to Manresa, but you are one of the most loved players by fans. How do you feel this situation?
I feel it's wonderful. I didn't knew like because my name is Francisco, so they call me Cisco or Paco. And when I heard like Cisco, I feel like I'm not hearing anything. I'm just playing, but in my head I'm like, okay, oh that's good. I like it, you know. And that's good because it's really that's love. Like I said, it's really good love. And the fans, either you losing or you winning, they always together. They always with you, and they like you, they love you, and that's what I like too. And it's gonna be. I think it's my first experience. It's only 2 months right now. I've been here for 2 months. Since the beginning, it's really good, and I like it.
Okay.
You come from this victory in Champions League. You've got 3 victories in Champions League, but only 3 of 7 in ACB League. You must focus in ACB League right now to win these games which are coming.
Yeah. I think like Champions League win 3-0. The job is not done, but like I think ACB is the most important one, and especially this one against Bilbao, we got to win because in Brother we wasn't really focused at the beginning of our defense wasn't like that, but I think this one we have to win, especially here, and I feel like more games coming. We got to get some games too, because every time we gonna one win, one losing, but now we're trying to find the right balance to get more wins at the same time. It's tricks.
Esteu molt bé a la Champions amb 3 victòries de 3 partits, a la Lliga teniu 3 de 7. Creus que l'objectiu ha de ser la Lliga més que potser enlluernar-se una mica amb el que pugui ser la Champions per vosaltres?
Bueno, nosaltres el que volíem al principi de temporada i el que volem és tindre un equip competitiu, no? Que puguem competir tots els partits possibles. No? Ho estem demostrant, sí que està clar que el partit només hi ha un partit que no vam poder competir, que és contra la joventut, no? I bueno, s'ha de prendre els partits com a millora els de Champions i competir-los fins, si podem arribar al més lluny possible, doncs millor. I a la CB tothom sap l'important que és per nosaltres, no? Doncs una lliga tan competitiva com és, doncs poder complir els objectius, no? L'equip està treballant bé, està millorant i sobretot s'està adaptant, no? Després d'aquestes 7 jornades a l'ACB, que és una lliga molt competitiva, i la gent nova, doncs, mica en mica, doncs, s'està ficant.
Sí, volia preguntar respecte a la temporada passada, aquesta han arribat nous jugadors, s'està canviant la manera de jugar, tu has notat un canvi de manera de jugar pels perfils que han arribat de jugadors?
Bueno, la filosofia és el mateix, que està clar que juguem doble competició, que necessitaves més físic, més múscul, no? I ho estem demostrant, no? L'equip és una mica més físic que l'any passat, o volem que sigui així, perquè amb doble competició doncs, tothom sap que el desgast és més gran i la filosofia de joc crec que més o menys és la mateixa.
Bilbao, que és el teu equip de fa 2 anys, amb el mateix entrenador que tenies tu fa 2 anys, hi ha diferents jugadors, però coneixes a l'Àlex com juga. Quin partit t'esperes diumenge que plantegin?
Doncs també és un equip, com t'he dit, no? Que els partits de fora tots han competit, només van deixar de competir un partit a casa contra el Saragossa. La mentalitat de l'entrenador també és de molt caràcter, de ficar els jugadors al partit, de que siguin ambiciosos i competitius i bueno, serà un partit complicat, no? Sobretot per això, perquè ells a fora de casa han lluitat tots els partits fins al final, han tingut partits complicats com el camp de Tenerife i Joventut i han estat allà fins al final, a un final de cara de creu i bueno, esperem un partit doncs, dur com el que estem veient fins ara del Bilbao.